Kwa kanyo ni ywak oneno ewi nek mar mine matimo ohand opamo ka higa ni e kaunti ma Nairobi wachore ni oseneg mine 27 matimo ohalano. Maendi kaluwore gi onge mar chike machiwo arita ne mine go kod rem obila mako achije ma itudo gi rocho ratich mine matimo ohand opamo. Gidwaro ni mondo oket ayanga nonro mar ripot mar raput manochuo gi higa achiel mokalo kod jatend piny mondo ranga ne weche mag nek mar joma mine pacho ka. Bende giywago thuolo makare mar chiwo ripot ne obila ma ok onindo nyabathe konchiel e kinde moroch ratichgi.
The Presidential Task Force on Gender-Based Violence and Femicide was established to address these patterns of violence. Sex workers submitted testimonies, data, and lived experience. 1 year after it was promised, the task force report remains unpublished. This silence is broken promise to women in Kenya, the public, and the families of those killed. A national response to violence that excludes sex workers is neither inclusive nor fair.
We are asking for nothing more and nothing less than equal protection under the law. Criminalization has failed us. It punishes survivors and protects abusers. In our part, we will continue to accompany survivors to hospitals, police stations, and courts, document violence, and push for change until justice in Kenya is not based on who you are or what you do for having a living.